Okay, yet another great day today as we have our most recent career comeback champion, Pallavi Baranje, with us. Pallavi, many congratulations. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. Thank you so much.
Awesome. So, Pallavi, we know we have discussed your success story a couple of times, but for the sake of all our audience, all our warriors who would be watching this success story later, let's just discuss your career trajectory. So, just take us through the time when you were actually working before your break, and how was your work trajectory, and how did the break happen?
So I started working back in 2010, just after my bachelor's of engineering. So it was a college placement, and I worked there for almost 7 years. And then afterwards, I worked for two more companies, and about 10 years I worked. And then when my marriage and maternity happened, so for maternity I took a break
Okay.
because I wanted to spend some time with my kid and give time. I don't want to give it to somebody else for like caretaking.
Makes
So it
sense.
was a planned break.
So, it was
And
in 2020 that you decided to take a break. Was it 2020 or later?
2021
2021. Okay. Got it.
last year. So that time it was COVID also.
Mhm.
So I don't want to go to some metro city at that time
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
challenge myself.
Mhm.
And so I took a break. So I thought that my kid, when she will turn 1 year, I'll get back. But it didn't happen. I upskilled also when I was in maternity. So, but I was thinking that when she will turn 1 year, I'll just get back. But it didn't happen.
So
So
you tried after your daughter turned 1 year, you tried getting back
I
to work?
tried getting back, but it was not getting happen because my time was going with her only in her taking, and also I was not getting time for myself and
Mhm.
my upskilling and all. I was just clueless means, and I wanted to make transition in my domain and my profile also. I did
Okay.
not want to work in the same validation and testing profile. I
Okay.
wanted to change my domain and my profile also. So I did
Okay.
my PGDM in business analytics from Upgrad and IMT Ghaziabad that time.
Okay.
So I was
Amazing.
trying
So
for
you're online engineering.
yes, I was trying for remote jobs, but I was not getting remote jobs. It was
Mm.
all on-site jobs,
Mm.
kind of roles. I was targeting. It was not happening. Means not getting the correct type of roles.
When which period are you talking about, right? This is 23, 24, or
2021 itself, I did my PGDM. So in 2022, it got completed,
okay.
and I tried that targeting some jobs and all, but I was not getting means kind of jobs I was targeting, business analyst roles kind of thing I was
So you were
targeting.
not getting the opportunities, or you were getting offers but not in your domain.
Not
What was the
getting
situation?
offers only. I was trying, but not getting offers only.
Okay, not getting opportunities only. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
So
what was next?
then I upskilled after 1 year that in data analytics.
Mm.
I from Simply Learn I upskilled. I did Power BI Tableau. I learned Power BI Tableau,
Mm.
MS Excel Advanced, and SQL. I learned did projects,
Mm.
and I got one internship also. But that was also not kind of thing I was looking for.
Mm. Mm.
So again the break thing happened,
It was getting
and
extended. The break was getting
extended. It
extended.
was getting
Mm.
extended.
Mm.
So and then this career comeback hub I have joined, but I was a cohort member, so I did not know what I have to
When
do.
did
And
you join? When did you join the career
I
comeback? How did it happen?
2024 last I joined, but I was not consistent in attending the calls and all because
Okay.
my daughter was small and she had to get my attention and all.
Mm.
So I was
Mm.
not consistent in the process and all. I did
Mm.
not understood. I just followed everything when she joined school last year, and in September I joined Diamond Hive.
Okay. In this September, you joined. Last September, you joined the
last year
library.
time. So then I started consistently and regularly attending calls, following the process and all,
Mm.
targeting, made a goal, and I did self analysis five six times I think.
Wow, amazing.
And then again, I used to attend all the calls live. I attended boot camp 5 6 times I think,
Five
and
to
did
six
all the
times. So
exercise.
during the boot camps, you were continuously doing self-analysis every time the boot camp happened.
Yes, yes, every
Mm.
time.
Amazing.
Again, if I get self doubt anytime, so I have to. I used to do self analysis that why it is not
You think
happening.
it's helpful to do it like in repeated mode, like to do it multiple times? Is it was it helpful?
Yes, yes. Until you are not satisfied, you should do. You should
Mm.
drill yourself that what are your strengths. Because in the past, what you did, sometimes we forget that what
Mm.
we have done, what are our achievements, what we have
Mm.
done. We used to
Mm.
get forward, forget all these things because we just immerse ourselves in so much caregiving and all marriage and all these things.
Mm.
So we just
Mm.
forget what we have done, what we have achieved.
Mm.
So I have done so many times. I remind myself that what are my strengths, where I need to go, where
Mm.
I want my future role to be, which side should I go,
Do you
what
feel the
way I
questions
want
in
to.
the sheet are good for probing? The questions that you get in the sheets are good for bringing out the information within you?
Yes, yes, they are very good actually. They bring out our strengths, weakness, and what we have done in past, our past achievements,
Mm. Mm.
what kind of dream job or role we are targeting in the future,
Mm. Mm.
in the present.
Amazing. So
So
you entered the Diamond High when you started attending calls post September, also repeated boot camps. When did you start feeling that the things are changing now, that they're getting positive?
in 2 3 months only, I noticed things are changing. My LinkedIn starting growing. Uh,
Mm.
I used to get up in the morning to read the books
Mm.
and do my fitness routine, morning walk, meditation, and all.
Mm.
And I used to plan my day, set my goals for the day, and uh, I used to attend all my calls live. I used to
Mm.
plan my day for the family and used to set my calendar for the course and all.
Amazing. You started using your calendar for both personal and professional, like just as we do
Yes,
in
yes, yes. Both the
Amazing.
things I started using.
Amazing.
That's why the
Amazing.
change happened in my life. And the mindset change with the books. Otherwise, my environment, habits, and actions were not sorted.
Mm.
Books
Okay.
became my environment. They used to
Mm.
give positivity to me. Otherwise, I was not getting positivity from anywhere.
Mm. I understand. I understand the situation. Kudos to
Yeah.
you for having followed the system so well. You would also believe and agree that first your mindset changed and then opportunities started coming in. First you got positive from inside and then the opportunities from outside started
Yes,
coming
yes.
in.
The change happened from inside only. Then it happens outside. First, you should change yourself from inside and you should believe that it can happen. Then only it will happen from outside.
Mm, amazing, amazing. How did this particular opportunity come in? Like what was the story?
This opportunity came in January, I think, from one of my mentors from Upgrad.
Mm,
She in WhatsApp actually had a status that this opportunity is there. If you want to apply, this fill this form. I just filled the form
mm, mm,
and I customized my resume as per the opportunity, as per the
amazing.
prompts that in the CCR sheet. And my resume got selected and all that the screening calls. I attended 3 interviews. Uh, I practiced the interview prompts with all the like prompt sheet and all. I practiced with all answering, questioning, and answering. So I passed the interview, and this opportunity actually when I was went for that IEEE session.
Hmm.
So in March 14th, my last round was second round of interview was there. So I
Okay.
attended it from Bangalore only,
Wow. Remotely. Hmm.
remotely.
Amazing. And
And
this opportunity was also remote from the start.
this was remote. This is
Mhm.
opportunity is remote from, I think they have some states defined uh,
Hmm. Hmm.
for that you have to work from these states only. And then offer letter was coming late. So I was thinking why offer letter is not coming.
Hmm.
So actually, I was one day praying to God, and then this offer letter came on 2nd of April on Hanuman Jayanti.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing. All great energies around.
Yes.
Amazing.
So I
And
just
we also realize that we are recording the success story on the day of Akshaya Tritiya, which is also like something amazing.
yes. All these things are very auspicious for me, and the from divine only this grace is coming on.
Yes. Only because you also started committing to the divine that you would do everything that is necessary, right? In terms of
Yes,
mindset and action both. I really like how you said that when you submitted your resume, you use the prompts from a sheet to customize your resume. And then even for the interview, you use the prompts. Were they
yes,
helpful? The questions that you prepared, did it help you to be more confident during the interviews?
yes. I prepared the interview as per the prompts, and I practiced. Because I did not have confidence before that. I practiced it. That's how I gained the confidence.
Amazing, amazing. And any specific question around career break, anything that came up in the interview which you had to
No,
handle?
career break question did not come.
Amazing, amazing. So no questions around career break. They were
No,
more interested in your skills and projects and whatever.
skills and project and why you want to come in this profile and all. So
Hmm.
this was
Any
all.
specific question that gave you stress during the interview, if you remember?
Um, that I worked in different profiles, and they were asking that why you want to go in this investigation specialist. So I told that my interest is in problem solving, and my mindset is of analytical thinking. So
Hmm.
that's why I'm interested in this role.
You would have already prepared for this question from the
Yes.
prompt.
I already prepared for this question, and ChatGPT already prepared me for
Hmm.
that this question will come
Amazing.
up.
So you would say that the prompts have been helpful, like very.
The prompts are very helpful for preparing you for the interview.
Amazing, amazing. That is good validation for us as well that we are going in the right direction.
Yes,
Amazing,
yes,
Pallavi. So, Pallavi, great story from your career that panned out for 10 years. Then around 4 years of break. You thought 1 year, but it got extended, which is also
yes,
something that happens with women warriors a lot. And then
yes,
the moment, what I really like is the moment you started. Okay, no, I have to get into discipline. I have to get my routine and environment and habits sorted. Then things started slowly shifting for you.
yes.
Awesome. So this is a great trajectory. Now, coming from the perspective of warriors, you see other warriors who are there who are still in the process. Some of them are very close to getting offers. Some of them have got offers like you. Now, some of them who are in the journey, sometimes they also get negative because of the surroundings. And they
Yeah.
keep on going into that loop that their surroundings are not supportive, and this is happening because of whatever external factors we are not able to grow. Any advice, any suggestions from your story that you would want to share with them?
The advice is that don't means just get involved with the negative outside surrounding. Sort your environment with books and immerse yourself in the process. And cut the noise means the noise from outside. Don't just focus on that outside noise. Focus on your work. Focus on the process. What you have to do. So things will start working. Otherwise means if you focus on the outside noise though, so it will just get increase.
Mm, get it.
The things you focus on means get enhanced. This is what we learned in the focus on what matters and power of subconscious
Subconscious.
mind, and also on the master key system.
Yes, yes. Focus on what you have control in, right? Whatever is in
Yes,
your.
I read means the power of subconscious mind, the master key systems, and focus on what matters. So
You
you
have read
just
all the
have to
three books.
focus on the things which are mattering to you. Just You have to focus on the things which are actually mattering to you. Just
Amazing, amazing. Great, Pallavi. One most important aspect around mindset and one most important aspect around action. If you have to give top mindset aspect and top action aspect to our other warriors,
Mhm.
just to have success like you, what would be that advice? One most important. I'm sure there are multiple, but most important.
One my mindset aspect is that attend all LCC, sorry, that CCH calls live to sort your mindset, and also to sort your environment. Read books, which gives you positivity.
Amazing.
I also used to listen to the strangest secret of the world to sort my mindset and my environment. So then, outside noise, which are already coming to me, did not matter to me. That's how I sorted my environment. Otherwise, I had a lot of disturbance that you cannot do this, you don't have that capability. But I did not listen to that. I listened to these things which are giving positivity to me.
Amazing. Amazing. So great. I mean, like attending all the CCH calls live and books, two very important aspect of the mindset. Any action-oriented steps, like something around action that you want to share?
Action oriented steps is sort your calendar and sort your time. You have to manage your time and allocate your time for course, family, your upskilling, your goals. These things we need to sort. It is very important to sort these things. To sort our day, we need to write our goals. This is very important. Daily goal
Amazing.
writing and managing time. Otherwise, time will just flow away and we do not know where it is going.
Very true. Very
Years,
true.
I mean, days will pass, months will pass, and years will pass like this.
Very deep. I mean, when you speak these aspects, it seems like bootcamp is running in the back of my mind, right? All these
Yes.
aspects we try to make sure the warriors execute during the bootcamp itself so that the habit is set.
Yes, yes. I'm also attending the boot camp because from 20th April, I'm joining my job.
Okay, you're
After that,
attending the current bootcamp as well, which is
yes,
going on.
yes. So after that, I won't be able to join the boot camp, attend the boot camp.
Kudos to your dedication, Pallavi.
Yes.
Really
So this
appreciate.
mindset, this growth mindset is coming to me from these boot camps only.
Mm,
Otherwise, my environment is also like many other warriors, not getting
mm,
positivity.
mm,
Environment is not good. So I'll
mm,
be also complaining like that my environment is not good, but I'm just sorting it by attending this boot camp. It gives a lot of positivity.
mm. Awesome, awesome, Pallavi. Perfect, Pallavi. This was really, really great. So now you already are like from 20th, you will start, your career will resume. You have an intent. I already see an intent to keep learning, but you will keep attending sessions, whatever is possible, especially Gen AI or LCCs, whenever you are having that bandwidth.
Yes, yes. I'll keep attending the sessions, the Gen AI, the LCC, whenever the time allows me. I'm already attending the IEEE sessions also
Amazing.
because it is very important to keep learning. Whenever
Mm,
learning stops, growth stops. So this is not the end for me. I'll keep learning and keep growing. My aim
awesome.
is that I'll keep learning and keep growing. Means this is not the end for me.
Mm. I think that could be the best conclusion to this success story discussion. Thank you so much, Pallavi, for taking out time and for setting the right examples in front of so many warriors. I'm sure all our warriors and everybody else who would see this story, even outside of CCS, they will not only get inspired, but they'll get a lot of golden nuggets to act on. So thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Satyam. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best. I'll just stop the
Thank you.
recording.
Yeah.